Oh, everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. I hope everybody had a good long weekend. And you can see the condition they have. He's not shaved, he hasn't done his hair. I mean, I have so much to drink. Two drinks only, 2 wines, and my dad put even water in it. Back to business. Thank you for following us. Thank you for sharing our videos. Thank you for liking our videos. Today we are going to talk about some defects that you can find, that you can see. I'm pretty sure you saw them in the stores about tomatoes. And why do we discriminate them? Because we shouldn't. We don't discriminate in this world. But let's go and look this through. I'll show you some example now about scarring, skin marking, blemishes, boom, ba, bim, bam, boom, bam, bam. Yeah, right here. See, it's scar. Same here. This one, completely beautiful tomato. But it's gonna be the scarring. A bit more excessive here. A little bit bigger. And same for here. But for the rest, it's good. So this is what it is scarring, and why that happen, majority of the time, is because of strong winds. But open crop, so outside, with nature, complete nature, like natural, like they used to grow long time ago. So the wind move the fruit around like that, and on top of that, obviously the strength of the wind raise some little rocks or dust off the ground, and then hits the tomatoes, and that's what it causes when it's young, in the bloom, and it causes these things. Shape. Sometimes the tomato, you can see they're a bit misshapen. Sometimes you can see, oh, that doesn't look like a tomato. You want a tomato that look like this, nice, round. Not like, let's go up more elevated, a bit pointy like this. They do the little pointy nose. Pointy like Pinocchio. 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 Well, that happened to the tomato too. But they don't lie. Tomato don't lie. Tomato, what it does is sometimes they struggle when it's a bit too cold, the weather. So the plant struggle to do its job, and the tomato struggle also to grow because the plant is in a little bit of trouble. So, oh, what am I doing? It's too cold. I don't know what to do. Like that. So the next is size. Size, guys. I can see you in the stores. You look at the tomato like that. Wow, that looks too small. There is even these tomatoes that they taste as good as the big one. And now about why this happening, why they're so small. I'll tell you. Because sometimes, tomato, they grow from the bottom of the plants to the very top. And probably this one, they are at the very top. So it's a bit harder for the plant to get all the nutrients right at the top. That doesn't mean they taste less compared to the bottom one or the mid plant one. But they're the same good flavor, but they struggle on size. So we have been talking about some little difference. I know, because I'm looking people when we go shopping, and you want only the big shiny one, nice and beautiful. Well, I tell you something, guys, there is discrimination. Right there and then. Because these poor buggers, little like this, or a bit of scarring, the growers and then the plants, they put the same effort that they put in the good one, in the nice one, in the beautiful, shiny one to grow. But on top of all of this, they also taste the same. They're beautiful. They're beautiful flavored tomato, and they got the same nutrients. This is it. Thank you for following us. If you do, please like the video. Please, bam, push the like, share it, and I love you all. I'll see you next time.